climb inside the 2012 Chrysler Town Country. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Chrysler infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as a power rear cargo door, removable floor console, a roof rack, and much more. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Passengers in the third row enjoy seat-back reclining functionality, providing an extra level of comfort and convenience. Chrysler also prioritized safety and security by including traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.